Hello roadies and fellow foodies. I just wanted to take a minute today and introduce to you the next few videos that you will be seeing on the Foodie Fridays, and they are products that we carry here at the Buffalo Bill Village gift shop where I am work camping this season. And they are really super easy and very tasty mixes. We carry two different lines. One is called the Resident Chef and the other one is called Country Home Creations. And today I will be doing the BLT mix from the Country Home Creations line. It is very tasty and very easy to do. Most of the recipes for these mixes only require 3 to 4 ingredients at most. And today I am adding cooked crumbled bacon into the mix just for a little extra bacon taste. Because, you know, you can't have too much bacon, I say. And that's about it. Very easy to explain, and so these videos are going to be very super short because they're so easy to put together. And just wanted to kind of introduce to you the products that we share. We look forward to seeing you out there on the road, and if you happen to be in Cody, stop by the gift shop right next door to the Holiday Inn. I work there in the evenings from 3 o'clock to close, which is about 11 o'clock during the summer. So come on in, say hi, and look forward to meeting you. And always remember to take the scenic route, and please be safe out there on the road. Welcome to 3 for the Road RV. I'm Lee.
I'm Wally.
It's Foodie Friday. Let's eat.